Shri Bhagwati presents double-side labeling machine. A double-side labeling machine is a type of industrial equipment used for applying labels to both sides of products, containers, or packages simultaneously. It is commonly used in various industries, including food and beverages, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and consumer goods, where products require labeling on both sides for branding, regulatory compliance, or information purposes. Double-side labeling machines help streamline the packaging process, improve efficiency, and ensure consistent and professional labeling on both sides of products. They contribute to product branding, aesthetics, and compliance with labeling regulations. It's important to note that specific features and capabilities of double-side labeling machines can vary based on the manufacturer, model, and industry requirements. Thanks for watching. For inquiry, contact below mobile number or email ID.